Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming access and the minimal prerequisites so you can act immediately. Verify your account status and enable trade features, then scan your inventory and flag items you will trade. Once done, set clear reserve prices in dollar or tokens for each item and open a secure trade window. Make an initial offer while explaining why the deal is fair. This sets tone and protects you. Move fast, but keep records of the first exchange details for later reference. You now handle the complex middle, negotiation and risk reduction. Propose structured swaps that include token offsets to balance differences and explain the valuation method so both sides understand why numbers add up. Make sure to use staged escrow or a mutually trusted middleman for anything high value. This prevents scams. Also, inspect screenshots, timestamps, and item ID to confirm uniqueness and provenance. While negotiating, keep communication clear and reiterate next steps so there's no surprise when you execute. You finish by executing the trade only after both sides confirm all terms. Once executed, verify your updated inventory and ownership lines immediately. Save receipts, chat logs, and transaction ID as proof in case of disputes, and document the exact time and item condition. If something goes wrong, pause further transfers and request a rollback or reversal. Make sure to contact platform support with your saved evidence. Finally, learn one lesson per trade and adjust reserves and process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.